What up, people? Back at it. Got the F22 here. Getting ready to take the bottom end apart, take the pistons and crank out. Being that I didn't really go through taking the H apart and breaking that down, I'm gonna do it step by step on this one. I know I said I was gonna do it for the other one, but didn't happen that way. So I'm gonna take some time today and go through the breakdown with y'all. So first things first, take the oil pan off. You need 10mm socket. And let's get to it. Let's walk through it. Alright, pull the oil pan off. Got some sludge in here sitting out. I'll clean this up before I put it on the H. Take all your bolts, drop them back in there so you don't lose them. Alright, from there, you got 4 10mm to take the pickup off. There's 3 more 10mm to take the girdle cover off. Four, my mistake. Alright. Alright, from the girdle, well, my mistake, the windage tray, to take that off. Now take the girdle off. You need a 14mm. Girdle off. Took the oil pump off first, but we'll go ahead and do that now. at that ring land. We're gonna get to that. It's piston 4. This motor was turboed for over a year. This was the piston that blew. This is where it got hot. See, it melted off. Burned a hole through there. Do not run your turbo cars with no gas in the tank. This will be the result of that. Let's check the other ones. Piston 3. All these ring lands was good. Man, this motor would have still been running, man. That tune was on point, compression was good. But I had to run it with no gas in it. Can't blame nobody but me for that.